City. Today, we are going to be drawing this George Pig, and he's holding a dinosaur. So the materials that we will need is a permanent marker to trace like the picture, a pencil, an eraser obviously, and we have 5 colors. So let's get to the video. So first, we're going to be using our pencil. We're going to be drawing George's face. So we are going to draw a big 6. You can pause the video if you need more time, but when you're done with that, we're going to be drawing an oval around over here. And when you're done with that, we're going to be connecting it. So we're gonna draw a line from here all the way over here. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing its nostrils. So just draw 2 circles in its nose. Like that. When you're done with that, we're going to start drawing its eyes. So just draw 2 circles. So we're going to be drawing one like near this line, but a little higher. After that, we're going to draw another eye. So draw it like a little lower than this eye. After that, we're going to be drawing its pupils. So we're going to draw one over here, and we're going to do the same thing for the other eye. After that, we are going to be drawing its ears. So one ear is going to be in between the 2 eyes. And the other ear, it's going to start from the middle of this eye, and then it's going to come around and it's gonna end up over here. Now, after that, we're going to be drawing its cheek. So just draw a simple circle right over here. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing George's mouth. So George is technically smiling, so we're just going to be drawing a curve. And then we're going to be drawing another curve. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing a line in the middle. So it'll look like this. And then we're going to add 3 other lines. So then it'll look like this. So technically George is smiling. And then we're going to be drawing George's small body. So George's body is going to start from the middle of his cheek. And then it's gonna end around over here. Make sure it's not too big, or else you can't draw the feet. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing his legs. So one leg, it's going to start from over here. It's gonna start in the middle of his cheek. And just draw a straight line. When you're done with that, we're going to draw his shoe. So his shoe is just going to look like this. We're going to add another line. And we're gonna connect it. So then it'll look like this. And then the other leg, it's going to start around here. Draw a straight line down. And then draw his shoe. And draw another line. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing his tail. So his tail is just a squiggly E. So just draw an E. Now, we're going to skip his hands because we're going to be drawing the dinosaur. His dinosaur will start around here, and we're gonna make a 2. But for our 2, we don't want it too pointy over here. We want it a little rounded. After that, we're going to draw the mouth. So it's gonna come in like this. But we don't want it, we just want it like a straight line. So just draw a straight line. And draw another straight line. Now we're going to draw a little curve over here. And then we're going to draw a straight line down here. And we're gonna connect it over here. So when you're done with that, we're going to draw its teeth. So just draw some triangles. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing its eyes. So just draw 2 circles. And then we're going to be drawing its pupils. So just draw 2 other circles inside. When you're done with that, we're going to start drawing its spikes. So the spikes will start from over here. It'll start at the very right of its eye. So then just draw some triangles. When you get closer to its tail, the triangles will start to get smaller. When you're done with that, we're going to be drawing its feet. So just draw 2 lines. So we're just gonna draw 3 bumps. And do the same for the other leg. Once you're done with that, we're going to be drawing its hands. So the hands will start from around here. So just draw 2 lines. And we're going to draw 3 bumps. And for the other hand, it's going to start from over here. So draw 2 lines and draw 3 bumps. Now, we are going to draw George holding the dinosaur. So, we're gonna have this hand come out over here. So just draw 2 lines and draw 3 bumps. And for the other hand, it's gonna start from around like here. So just draw 2 lines. And since the dinosaur is blocking the rest of the hand, we're gonna draw 1 bump. And we're gonna draw 2 lines over here. And we're gonna draw another bump. So it'll look like George is holding the dinosaur. Actually, let me fix that. That looks kind of funny. Now we can start tracing George and the dinosaur. So just trace George and the dinosaur. Okay, so now I am going to be erasing my pencil marks. Okay, so now I am going to be coloring my drawing. So for his skin, we're going to be using the pale pink. And just color his face and his ears and his hands and his... Yeah, I think that's it. Just don't color his cheek. Now I'm going to be coloring George's cheek with the darker pink. And also you'll have to color George's nostrils with this color too. Now I'm going to be using the black permanent marker and I'm going to be coloring in George's pupils. I'm also going to be coloring George's shoes with the black permanent marker. Now I'm going to be using the blue for his shirt. So just color his shirt with the color this blue. Now I'm done coloring his shirt. So now we can go color the dinosaur. And for the pupils, we need to use the black permanent marker. So I'm going to be coloring its eyes first. Okay, so for the dinosaur, I'm going to be using the lighter green, and the darker green will be for the spikes. So don't color in the spikes yet. Okay, so when you're done, we're gonna use the darker green and we're gonna color in the spikes. Okay, so now I'm done coloring my drawing, and this is what it looks like when you're done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe, and I also posted another George Pig video, so please check that out. I'll be very happy if you do. Goodbye!